me a favor, though? Happy's kind of your point guy on this. Don't stress him out. Don't do anything stupid, all right?
Yes.
Don't do anything I would do. And definitely don't do anything I would do.
That's not a hug. I'm just grabbing the door for you. We're not there yet.
You remember we were in space, and I got all dusty, and I must have passed out because I woke up when you were gone, but Dr. Strange was there, right? He was like, it's been 5 years, come on, they need us. And then he started doing a little